Well, hello, my gardening friends. It's July 6th, 2018, and I'm here in the raised bed garden. And right here, this is called Blue Lake bush beans. Once you plant them in the ground, it takes anywhere between 45 and 60 days for them to become mature. Let me show you what they look like. Check out all these beans. Each bush is chock full of beans, as you can see here. Good size. I've got 3 bushes here. It'll probably take somewhere between an hour, hour and a half to pull them all. Check out those nice beans. I'll just go ahead and cut off either end. I could probably get 1, 2 pieces. Throw them in a pot of boiling water with some salt, pepper, a little bit of butter, and you're good to go. I've been planting Blue Lake bush beans for about 3 seasons now. They've not failed me yet. Now I tend to put them in the tomato cages. You don't have to do that because they will stand up on their own. And when you get a heavy harvest, they do tend to lean over. I love raised bed gardening. Check out how many beans I got here. This is a meal in itself. Check that out. Just a little over a handful. You know, I say that gardening is a great therapy. It sure is. Get your hands in the dirt. Takes your mind off of anything else that's going on in your life, I suppose. You can let the plants go to seed and use the seeds for next year. Amazing. Now some of them are still small. As you can see right here, look, that's still small. I'm going to let that stay on there for a while. Another probably week and it'll be ready to go. I don't know of any insects that have bothered Blue Lake bush beans. I've never had any problems. I hope you enjoyed this video. Get out and garden. It's a great therapy. And the benefits of it, you won't regret. They're Blue Lake bush beans. Between 45 and 60 days to harvest. Pretty much guaranteed. I'll keep planting them for years to come. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a comment. Leave a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. And subscribe to my channel. Not only do I do raised bed gardening, I also do a little bit of light-hearted comedy. I'm an artist. I do acrylic mountainscape paintings. I also am a nature photographer. I also like to get out in nature and do some kayaking and some inspirational hikes. I suppose you could say I have an eclectic channel. I want all of you to be blessed. Have yourself an awesome gardening day, and I'll catch you on the next video or live stream, whichever comes first. Take care, my friends.